Mr. Srinivas Bharadwaj, the CEO and the founder of Gyan Marga Technologies. Hi, Srinivas
Hi.
sir. Very good afternoon, and thank you for being at World Education Summit. So, Srinivas sir, thank you for giving your precious time to World Education Summit, and thank you for giving the enlightenment to our audience. So, I would like to welcome the Srinivas Bharadwaj, CEO and the founder of Gyan Marga Technologies. Thank you, Srinivas sir. And I'm giving the time and opportunity, Srinivas sir, to you so that you can share your presentation, your slides, so that all the audience can know about Gyan Marga innovations, the initiatives that have been taken in the education space. After that, we can take the Q&A section. So, Srinivas sir, are you getting my voice?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, loud and clear, sir.
No. Thank you.
So, Srinivas sir, I request you, can you share the initiatives and the innovation done by the Gyan Marga Technologies in the school education domain? And I request all my audience to please drop your question if you have anything in your mind so that we can take it live with the Srinivas ji.
Thank
Srinivas
you.
sir,
Thank
over
you.
to you, sir.
So wonderful to be presenting. Thank you very much, Abhishek ji. I also want to thank Dr. Ravi Gupta and of course Krishna ji for helping us get here. And we look forward to presenting our technology and having all the schools, decision makers come visit us on our site. Please come by, and we'll be very only too glad to show the show what we have developed over the last couple of years. On to the show. Let me also introduce you to two of my colleagues. Along with me, there is also Sunny Nagbekar and Prajot Naik. They also developed the Nyanamarga platform. And you will get a chance to see the Nyanamarga platform today. You know, right now, we are ready to go, and just give us 1 minute, and we'll get things going. Yeah, so here we are. So, what I thought I should focus on is this idea called learning loss during COVID, and the remedial measures for learning loss. The previous time we discussed ebooks in the 18th World Education Summit. So this time we are discussing learning loss. Next slide. To introduce the Nyanamarga platform, we are an innovative ebooks based technology, and the US Patent Office has given us a patent for collaborative learning platform for generating and presenting context oriented content. And we won an award last time at we're very grateful for that at ELETS. To develop our platform, we spent almost a year working with IIT Chennai, with teams inside IIT Chennai, to develop all the slide decks and put together a whole platform. And you're going to get a chance to see that. We fully index the NCERT books, and inside your NCERT textbook, you will see IIT PAL lectures, and along with that, you will also see other very important tools beyond videos, slides, and of course, learning management, and the idea that we have of a virtual classroom. Next slide. With respect to COVID, it has been very tough on students. It is amazing to hear heartrending stories from the second wave. So many have lost loved ones, and they watch friends who have lost loved ones. Teachers themselves are also coping with their own loss and with the difficulties of teaching online. So today, in people are not thinking about the big problems associated with COVID, which is also learning loss. No exams has been a good thing. It has made things easy for the moment, but it has made things harder going forward. Next slide. So, in terms of learning loss estimates, McKinsey did a study, and McKinsey, based on what they found that certain classes of students and certain types of learning suffered more than others. Next slide. So, another study which was done by Horace for CNBC. They said, like, if you see this slide, 30% of the students experienced more than 6 months of learning loss, and another maybe 30% experienced between 3 and 6 months of learning loss, and more than 50% said that students experienced significant learning loss. And this is a study done of mainly K-12 teachers. Next slide. So the question then is, when it came to students of color, and in the US, it's a very big deal because the student who is left behind, like US believes in no child left behind, and so because of that, the impact on students of color has been much larger during COVID, and therefore this idea of finding remedial solutions for learning loss has been a very big deal particularly over the last 4 to 6 months. Now that it's clear that US is going to get out of COVID, in the near future. Next slide. So initially, the lot of the school districts in the US, they tended to focus on getting students a lot of equipment. So they got a lot of they bought tablets, they bought Chromebooks, and they brought PCs and they distributed it, and then they tried to find ways to make internet affordable, etc. Then so that kind of got things going because they had to find an answer to COVID, and the answer was not going to be inside the classroom. Next slide. So remote learning became like the 70% solution, with more so with students of color, and more students were fully remote. There was a portion of students, which maybe 20%, who were hybrid learners, and there was a small portion who still were able to had the luxury of in-person learning. Next slide. So then the next question that we face is, what is the answer? What is the answer to learning loss? And so the big answers have come from mostly two classes of solutions. One is accelerated learning, and the other is tutoring based. Next slide. The high intensity tutoring is where students have the catch up happen over maybe a year or two. So if you had to catch up for 6 months, you need at least a year or more in order to have that catch up happen, And so when does it happen? How does it happen? Because you need to go back to your regular class and learn there, So then the second set, they came up with what is called acceleration academies. Acceleration academies put small sets of students into power-packed, targeted instruction, week-long course, etc., which is to expand student knowledge. And so McKinsey came up with these estimates. Next slide. so the big news was that, it became very clear that the US government would have to spend some amount of money in order to make this happen. And so there were the ESSER funds that were made available to all the schools, and they are available now for the schools. But a lot of the catch up is going to happen over the next 2 to 3 years. But it has all started with this summer. There are so many summer learning programs which are available to various US students this year to facilitate that catch up. Next slide. So, how do you go about reusing the programs? Some of it, what is good is they even allocated some money for mental health for students. Then, of course, they invested a lot during the years, during the months before, with COVID, when COVID was big in sanitation and in PPE, which was very good. And then they also invested quite a bit in technology. But now the focus is largely on summer learning and providing supplemental after-school programs to make up for the lost months. And they've particularly focused on students who come from low-income backgrounds, with disabilities, and other students, migrant students, who are English learners, etc., so that they can also be part of this catch-up. And they've given enough discretionary funds to principals to address the needs of the schools. Next slide. So now, one of the things that McKinsey is advocating is that they say that you may get a lot of people who can teach, but who are not teachers, who are not like trained teachers. And there's a big difference between someone who teaches their own kids and someone who's dealt with a class day in and day out. And so what they say is that the former group, who paraprofessionals, who are trained college graduates who can teach small classes, that they be used also in addition to the regular people, the regular teachers, to maybe provide that added classes to help in the mathematics catch up. Next slide. So now there are largely, there is also the question of the student. Some students are capable, like they took as like fish to water when it came to remote learning, but there are some for whom it didn't make sense. What one can say is that if you're maybe older and you've adapted a lot more to all these teacher student interactions over video and over a computer, and you're probably more likely to survive this kind of digital learning system. So that was McKinsey's view of it. They said that not everybody would make it here. Next slide. So the other additional idea that they came up with is that secondary education, there people are more likely to be infected. Young children are less prone to COVID, so older children are more likely to be infected. But the good news is they are more likely to also show autonomy and be able to be part of a more remote based learning program. So at an elementary level, what they advocated was a better, more focus on keeping children in schools. And at the secondary level, the idea was that you do more remote, so that the students aren't affected. Of course, this is in that earlier stage, right? If everybody is, if you've reached herd immunity and nobody's and everybody is going to be okay, then it's a very different story. Next slide. So we at Jnanamarga, we took our NEET and JEE program and we made it available through the summer for all our India-based students. So we do about like maybe 10 hours of live lecture, and then we have the apps. Now, with the apps, the student is free to learn any amount. He can study how much ever he wants, you know. And we also have special tutoring, which we are enabling now for students. And right now, we also have this idea of a virtual school for the summer session for educational institutions or for individual students. You want to send, you say, you know, we don't have a program, you go work with Jnanamarga. We are happy to take any student. We have no issues taking anybody. If you want to work as a school, then we, you will see our demonstration. Next slide. Our flagship Sushruta program is for NEET students. So we have a tablet version, which is the high-end product, and then we have a lower-end version, which is aimed at affordable education. So our tablet version comes with HC Verma on the tablet. It comes with the NCRT books, and then it has C-Engage books like A to Z biology, etc., which are also sent to the student, and then the apps associated with those books are made available on the tablet. And on top of that, you get the full slide decks for the 2 years. So students can go at any pace. The faster student can, catch up as much as they can, and as all of you know, learning loss is not just for the students who are fallen behind. Even a student who's very good, they have had disruptions. And so, what we do is we facilitate, we give everything to the student, and they can, learn everything, because the lectures are right inside the textbook. The slides are right inside the textbook, and we have our own library of now 200 plus videos on top of the 500 plus IIT PAL videos. So the student is well equipped. So very soon they get going, and then they really move forward. Next slide. Ramanujan is our JEE masterclass platform. We again have a tablet, and then we have the app. The app is again aimed at affordable education. The tablet comes with, again, HC Verma as an ebook, and of course the C-Engage maths books. Then we have an organic chemistry book, and then we also have the full IIT PAL videos indexed into the various textbooks. And you will see a demonstration right after this. And we have world-class teachers. Our 10 hours of lectures, they come with what are among the best teachers. We have 2 PhDs. I myself teach physics, and we make a real effort to make sure our students do very well. So now on to a demonstration. You must see it, or then you will understand what we are talking about.
Hi everyone. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So let me start the demonstration. So in this demo, I'll be showing you the Sushruta and the Ramanujan platforms. So Sushruta is basically for the students who are preparing for the NEET exam, and Ramanujan is for the students who are preparing for the NEET exam. So let me start the demo with the Ramanujan first. So this is a Ramanujan app, and what we provide here is like all these subjects that are necessary for the JEE preparation. Okay, that is physics, chemistry, and maths. So let me start with maths here. So once I click on any of the subject, what I get to see is the syllabus. Okay, so syllabus will be the starting point for any student to navigate to any topic of his interest. Okay, So just like a textbook, in a textbook, the index page can take a student to any topic that is interested in. Similar to that, here also, if he clicks on any topic, he'll be taken to all the resources related to that topic. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So I'll go with this unit 13, that is vector algebra. So once I click on that, what I'll get to see is all the chapters that are coming under that, and also the subchapters. So suppose say I select subchapter 3 here, that is type of vectors. So what will happen now is all the resources related to that topic will be loaded. Okay. Resources in the sense we have textbook resource, slides resource, and the videos. So let me go over them one by one. So I'll go with the textbook first. So when it comes to textbook, we have two textbooks here. One is NCERT and Cengage. So I'll show first NCERT. So once he clicks on the NCERT book, he'll be directly taken to that particular page number in that book where the topic is. Okay. So since I had selected type of vectors, it has taken me here. Similarly, the other textbook, that is Cengage. So like if you go with a tablet solution, what we also provide a Cengage maths book by G. Tiwani. Okay. So if you click on Cengage, you'll be shown the page number that you should refer from that book if you want to go to that particular topic. Okay. In this case, it's type of vectors. So, and from here you can also go to slides. So he'll be shown slides related to that topic. And finally the video. Okay, so the videos are played from the IIT Pal channel. Okay, so like if you go to YouTube channel, the IIT Pal channel, you'll find many videos with the same topic. So it really becomes difficult, like to you don't know which video to watch first. So what we have done here is like we have mapped the right video with the right topic. Okay. And the other resources that we have are, one is Moodle. So we have integrated with the Moodle platform, and for each of the units, we have created courses inside Moodle. Okay. So since I have selected this vector algebra, so I'll be taken to that particular course inside Moodle. So if the lecturers have put their material here regarding that particular unit, the students can access them like assignments or MCQs and all. Okay. And we also have a chat feature here. So similar to Moodle courses, we have also created a chat channel for each of our units. So like if the students have any doubt regarding that particular unit, he can just type in his queries here. And if the other students have also joined this channel, if they know the answer, they can answer it, or even the lecturers can answer it. Okay. And like along with all the subjects, we also provide the formula sheet for each of the subject. Okay, so I'll show one for maths. So what we have done here is for each of the units, we have listed all the formulas. So for a student at the time of revision, it really becomes helpful because he'll get all the formulas in one place. Okay. And along with the formulas, if he wants to read a little bit theory also, he can do that by just searching for that topic. Parabola. Okay, since parabola comes under this particular unit, that is coordinate geometry, and under conic section. So parabola is over here. So once he clicks on that, he'll get all the resources related to that topic. Okay, so these are the slide resource. He'll get slides related to parabola as well as the textbook page number, okay, where that topic is. So I'll quickly go to another subject here, that is physics. Okay. So the procedure will remain same. We show the syllabus first and then you can select any unit. So I'll go with this laws of motion. and I'll go with the law of inertia. Okay. So once I do that, all the resources will be loaded, and in this case also we are providing two textbooks. One is NCERT and the other one is HC Verma. So if you go with a tablet solution, we'll be providing the Kindle version of the HC Verma. Okay. So like if you click on that particular icon, what will happen is it will tell you the page number that you should refer. And once you click on OK, the Kindle version of the HC Verma will be opened. So this will work in the cell phone application also, but only thing you have to like download Kindle version and buy HC Verma. If you go with a tablet solution, it will be preloaded. Okay. Then you just have to go to that page number. I guess it was 76. Okay. Then it will take you to that particular page number. Okay. So this was a Ramanujan app. And I'll quickly show Shushruta also. So our Shushruta app also works on the similar lines. Only thing we don't have maths here, but we'll be having biology. Okay, and all the subject will be will be according to its year also. Like for example, biology one will have the syllabus of the 11th standard, and biology 2 will have the syllabus of the 12th standard. Okay, so I'll show biology this time. I'll go with biology 2. Okay, and I'll select the first unit, that is reproduction. Once I click on that unit, I'll get to see all the chapters that are coming under that unit. And if I click on the subchapter, I'll get all the subchapters. Okay, so basically it's like a drill down. Okay, so I'll go with the second subchapter, that is pre-fertilization structure, and you'll get all the resources here. Okay, so these are the slides related to that pre-fertilization structure and events. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the demo. So we'll continue with the slides.
Thank you, Prajot. That's our flagship Ramanujan and Sushruta platforms. Now, in addition to Ramanujan and Sushruta, we also have a new set of apps that deal um, with our for that are essentially targeted at international students, and these are built mainly for students who will be who are planning international education after class 11 and class 12. So this is for the students who will be um, who will be headed to the possibly to the United States or to other places like the Middle East, which now accept AP and SAT kind of exams. Um, these students we for these students as well, we have like 8 to 10 hours in over the weekends, along with 7 different apps. We have an app for each of the APs that we offer. AP Calculus, there are two versions of that: AP Calculus BC and AP Calculus AB. AP Physics 1 has a different app, AP Physics C. Then we have AP Chemistry, AP Biology, and of course, now we also have AP Computer Science. And AP Computer Science, just about any student can learn if they want to learn, some programming. So these are all aimed at the AP system, the American AP system, and so students can take the classes. They can, we will train them, and when the year ends, you can also take the AP exam. And you can, there is no requirement, I guess, for you to have to only take it during through your school. So you can learn from us, and you can of course learn calculus in your IB or in your IGCSE schools, or CBSE schools. There's nothing stopping students from doing that. So that is the other idea that we have, or that is the other summer program that we have. And so now, Prajot, if you can show a demonstration of the maybe an AP and also an or SAT app, that would be very good. We have a SAT class that's ongoing as well. You can join, and you can be part of that. You can send your students to us, and we'll reduce their tensions with respect to these SAT and other American exams. Go ahead, Prajot.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess I'll be demoing only one app here, that is AP Biology. And we are short of time. Okay. So this is our AP Biology app. Okay. And we start with the syllabus first. Okay. And in the syllabus, like we have units as well as the subunits. So like if he clicks on the subunits, he'll be directly taken there. Or if he clicks on the unit, like he'll be shown the entire drill down. Okay. So let me start by clicking one unit here. That is chemistry of life. Okay. So once I do that, what I get is I get all the subunits. Okay. And let's see, I go with the last subunit here.
Hello. Hello, Prajot. I think there is a net disconnect from the Prajot side.
Okay.
So, sir, there's a Srinivas, there is some questions from our side also
From our
that that you have given the demo to our audience of the Susast and Ramanujan app. So, is they providing the real time support also during the, like if some student is studying, if they face any kind of problem, so is any real time support is also given from this app?
Not from the, we provide, we have weekly live lectures, so the students can come and ask questions. There is also support, like technical support is there 100%.
Okay.
Of course, that is very much there. If students wanted, support through the app, the best way is we have a social media channel, and they can go and ask any number of questions there.
Okay.
And they can also ask questions in the live lectures, and also they can they reach out to us, they send an email. We are always happy to help students.
Perfect. And Srinivas, like how if a student want to avail this solution, then it is simple like that. He download the application and he can run it.
Yeah.
Is there any kind of the procedure that to be followed if you want to elaborate that? Like if
Yeah.
any student from our remote area, they
Yeah.
want to be prepare for the JE and the NEET, so they have to simple download and they can use it.
Yeah, all our apps are built around these three things. You download the app, you attend the lectures, and you're good to go. They are built with that model. We have this. Just now, Sunny is going to show a demonstration of what we have with respect to the virtual classroom. We also have
Okay.
a virtual classroom which is essentially aimed at helping schools, make up, provide customized distance learning programs themselves. So we have a third product which deals with that. But for most students, we have this set of programs. They come, they download the app, they use it, they learn, they come to attend the lectures, and they are good to go. And we because we've integrated the material in such a way that wherever you need help, you have videos. Wherever you need help, you have slides. Wherever the textbook is, if like when we learn about our forefathers, they had Guru and Granth. Guru and Granth is the basis of how learning has happened in our ancient culture. And so we try to stay with that framework of Guru and Granth in our learning platform.
Perfect.
And so actually, Sunny has our virtual classroom demonstration as well.
Is
So if,
Sunny?
if that can be shown, Sunny,
Yeah, Sunny is Sunny is on the background,
he's on the back. Yeah, he's on backstage, I think.
next stage.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Sunny, can you come on the stage?
Yeah.
So Sunny, I request you, can you see the demo in next 5 to 6 minutes so that we can
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
you
I'll
understand.
make it quick. Yeah. Let me share my screen. Let me know if my screen is visible to you guys.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yes,
Okay.
clear.
Yeah.
Loud and
So this is our virtual classroom setup, which is based on our Moodle platform. So we use core Moodle and we develop this on based on it. So right now this is specifically for NEET and JEE students. Okay. So what we have listed all the courses which are essential for the uh, 11th 12th NEET JEE aspirants. So example, we have this biology course which is diversity in living world. So you'll be able to access all the content which is available here. Okay. And we also have a live lectures which are for that specific course, like diversity in the living world. We have a specific course, so we can access that also. So right now example, we have these chapters embedded in our app itself. So app means we have web portal, so we can access all the content from here. Okay. The main specialty of this board actually is a calendar. Like we have few students who are like interacting with our teachers, and teachers create a certain classroom. Like there is a class on 25th, they can directly create here an event for the live class. Okay, that subject will be here, and we can put any more content. Like we have a meet link, we can put that meet link also. And all the students will receive a notification that there is a class on 25th, and they can either accept it or they can reject based on their availability. Okay, so this is a part of our virtual classroom. Actually, this is deep. We'll be giving a proper demo when there is a like one-to-one session available. We cannot go deep into this right now because of time limitation. Because I'll be covering one more this application which we have. Okay, I'll move to that app, right, Srini? Or do you want to explain something here?
Yeah,
Srini?
go
Yeah.
ahead. So the main thing with this digital classroom is we want to work with schools on so that we can complement they're offering. We want teachers to be teaching and teachers to be using the platform over and above what we do. We are not a school. We are a platform provider.
Yeah.
The students can learn from us. They can learn NEET, to study for NEET, study for JE. They can use our apps, etc. But real learning happens when there is a guru and there is a Granth. The Granth is there. There is H.C. Verma. There is all these books. But the guru comes from a proper school, and the teacher is imparts that learning. And when students learn from a real teacher, they have that relationship. Then they feel that they have learned, and they also feel that they should do even better. And that's the key. Okay, go on.
Yeah. So basically, what Srini is trying to say, if there is a school who needs this platform to be set up on their for themselves, we can arrange that also, and we have a custom solution for this. Okay. So they can put up all the courses from their school or their education and go live on this. Yeah. Am I audible? I just
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Okay. So next part, I'll be going to explain you what we have come up for the marketplace, which is like online portal to sell courses or any custom solution for education. Okay. Yeah. My screen visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this is our custom portal, which is currently live. Okay. You can access this at elearn.jnanamarga.in. Okay. Here, what we have is a coordination between aspirant tutor also, who's willing to create a custom course based on his qualification or his excellence, and he will create those courses and put it online on the course our site. And all the students who are willing to learn those courses, they can buy from our portal. Okay. So example, we have these courses like for NEET, we have this diversity in the living world. Okay. And you can buy this course for 7.99.
Yeah, our
Okay.
goal here is, we are thinking also with respect to, the future with NEP, and with NEP, there's going to be the ability for students to take multiple streams of learning over and beyond what, traditional school offers. And so if a school doesn't have that ability, then we want to be able to help the school, provide that, and also for vernacular learning in more affordable private schools as well. Sorry, Sunny. So those have been the primary means through which we've looked to reuse all the technologies that we've built. Um, the Today, learning loss is a reality. Is a reality that we have to live with. But what is lost is not lost forever. Except in the case of real people. For things like learning, you can gain it back. You study a little harder for some time, you will gain it back. And that is what we want to help schools do. We want schools to come to us, work with us, and we will help them have their students come back to a semblance of normalcy. This COVID is going to go away. And when it goes away, you want your students saying, yeah, I went through it. I went through a pandemic as well. So but we cannot replace real people, but we can replace lost learning, definitely. Thank you.
So thank you, Srinivas ji. Thank you very much for this wonderful deliberation. And I request all my audience that we have booth or stall of Gyan Marga.
Yeah. Uh, please visit us at at our booth and come talk to us with a T with tawk.to. And we'll be there. We'll make sure that our booth is manned, and we look forward to seeing all of you visit our booth, and we look forward to working with you. We are looking for a lot of schools. We are happy to work with any school. If you want to, you're not sure if this is the best answer for you as a school, you want to do a pilot with us, we are happy to do a pilot. You try it in the summer, and then in the fall.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
Thanks for this wonderful speech, sir. And definitely our schools know about your product, and they'll meet at your expo. So
Thank
here I am inviting all the audience. Please go to Janmarga Technology for more details and demo. So
Thank
thanks
you.
for your speech, sir. Aman,
Thanks,
can we
sir.
present speaker memento for the sir?
Thank you very much. I accept it on behalf of all our employees, and we look forward to serving the school community at ELITS. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Aman, can we have speaker memento? Congratulations, sir, for this speaker memento.
Thank you. Thank you. And
So
thank you.
with this, we are ending.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir. So with this, we are ending this session.
Okay.
Thank you, Srinivas ji. Thank you, Ashutosh. Actually, my net was disconnected. Sorry for the inconvenience. And I request all my audience, we have a team, Gyan Marga team in our exhibition hall. If you have any query, you can directly visit the
Please
school.
come. Yeah, please come, and there'll be people, and we look forward to meeting everyone. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thanks.